first grade fearless first graders. This is Squirt here and Miss Gansko. We're here to get with our number corner. Let's hear it for today. We have our date is April 14th, 2020. It is a terrific Tuesday. Let's say that one more time. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. As I write in our date, I want you to think and ponder. What do you think is going to be behind our card today? Do you think it will have a line of symmetry? How many parts will it fold into? Equal parts. What are you thinking? Whisper it to me. I hear a lot of first graders that are giving me some really good guesses. Let's have that drum roll. Let me hear that drum roll and flip it over. We have, what specific name does this shape have? And here's my shape for today. That is a trapezoid. It is called a trapezoid. How many sides does a trapezoid have? It has 4. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides for our trapezoid. A trapezoid is also called a quadrilateral. That is right, boys and girls. So let's write quadrilateral in there. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. So we have that number 4 there. And now we want to think of how many folds can our quadrilateral be with equal parts. If it's equal parts, it's same size and same shape, meaning that it would be congruent. We would have 2 congruent shapes if we fold it. So let's fold it one time. I'm thinking of somebody. Let's think of, can Lily tell me how many times I'm going to fold it? She says exactly 2. Let's see if she's right. So I'm going to fold it. She says we need to fold it side to side, these sides, these points on the side. So I'm going to fold it side to side. And if I open it up here, boys and girls, do you see 2 equal shapes? 2 equal parts. Yes, this side and this side are both congruent. Same shape and same size. But if I go top to bottom, friends, I do not see same shape or same size. This side comes in and he sticks out. So he would not be same shape and same size. So I'm going to put an X for only exactly 2. Folds into exactly 2 equal parts. I'm going to copy. There we go. That yellow X into exactly 2 equal parts. So now, friends, I'm going to draw a line where our fold was, and I want you to think, is there a line of symmetry? Is our shape symmetrical? Meaning just like a butterfly, if I fold it, is it the same on both sides where there's that mirror image? He's looking in the mirror. Does he see his mirror image? And that is exactly correct. Andrew was correct on this one. It is symmetrical. So we are going to put a yes that our quadrilateral, our trapezoid, is symmetrical today. Nice job, boys and girls. Give yourself a pat on the back. Big pat on the back. Nice job. Next, we are going to move to our number chart of how many days we have been in school for learning. I need my yellow crayon is ready. And remember, what does it mean if this is all filled in? We say, what is that? 100. 100, boys and girls. Also, if we have these small little squares, we can count by 25s. Let's count by 25s. 25, 50, 75, 100. I don't have these all the way filled in quite yet. So we were counting by tens. So if we have 100, let's continue on by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140. Ooh, now by ones, 141, 142. And if we add one for today, that makes what number? You're correct, 143 days of learning. Let's move to our board so we can write that in there. 143. Now, knowing that we have 143, what do we need to change here in our picture to make it 143? I'm going to give you a little bit of time. Can you guess it? Cora? Clara? Karma? That's right. We need to add a ones in there. So I do have my red crayon there. And I'm going to add a ones. So we have 143. Now looking over at my expanded notation from yesterday, we had 100 plus 40 plus 2 equals or is the same as 142. What would we need to change here, boys and girls, to make it 143 for today? Oh my goodness, you guys are so smart. The 3. I heard Miss Gans go, you need to turn the 3. So let's go ahead and change that 2 to a 3 equals or the same as 143. Nice job. Now, this is that one we have to think of the difference we're taking away. What would we need to change here? We had 150. Take away 8 equals 142. Let's go back to our X's chart, our 100s plus chart, and look at what is that difference, because if I fill this all the way up, that would get to our 150. What is the difference here? I'm going to give you some time. Ooh, I heard Jarrett say it. He said there's a difference of 7, so we need to take away 7. If I take away 7, that would equal 143. So let's erase and put a 7 equals 143. 150 take away 7 equals or is the same as 143. Well done, my friends. Looking at our next chart for our number corner, we have our popsicle sticks. We need to spin first, so I'm going to take away all of our writing, but don't forget, it's still there. And drum roll, first graders, fearless first graders. We spun a 5, so I'm going to put in 5 more popsicle sticks, and I want you to think how many are all together. If I have 3, how many do I have now? So let's put in our Can you think of how many we have? We have 8. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, my friends, On your piece of paper, I want you to draw 8 tally marks, but don't forget, when we get to 5 or 4, to make that 5, we need to close the door. So I'm going to make my tally marks, and I'm going to start with counting at 1 so I can get to my 5. 1, oh, there's 4. 2, close the door. 3, 4, 5. So we have 8 tally marks for today. We have collected 8 popsicle sticks this week. Nice job, boys and girls. I should see your tally marks today. And if we go back over to our how many days in school, I would love to see how many different ways can you make 143 today. But remember, we're not just copying up here. I want to see different ways to make 143. Thank you so much, boys and girls, for joining us with our quadrilateral today and meeting Miss Squirty. She's now laying on the floor. She got a little tired after that lesson. I hope you guys are doing wonderful and have a terrific Tuesday. Bye, first grade.